In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to do a hard reset on an iPhone 6. The hard reset will work on any other iPhone. And what the hard reset does is it clears your phone of any information, contacts, pictures, videos, anything on your phone. It wipes everything clear and sets it back to the factory settings as if it were new and you just got it from the store. Just before I get started, if you're just doing a hard reset because you're having some sort of malfunction, I would strongly recommend that you back up any of your information. Make sure you have it saved on your iTunes or iCloud before doing the hard reset, because once you do the hard reset, it will delete all of your information. And just another question that I always get is, can I remove the Apple ID or the activation lock, anything like that? There's no way. The hard reset will not remove an Apple ID or activation lock or anything like that. So just a little heads up there for all you guys that are going to ask, please don't ask. So what I'm going to do here is power off the phone. Once it's powered off, I'm going to go ahead and slide, and I'll just give it a couple seconds here just to make sure that it is fully powered off. And I will be getting out my charging cable. My charging cable is connected to my laptop, so make sure your charging cable is connected to your laptop. Once you're there, go ahead and hold the home button, and while you're holding that down, just go ahead and insert the charging cable. Keep holding, it's at the Apple screen. Make sure you're still holding your thing, and once it's on the iTunes logo, you can at this point release the iTunes logo. And from here we will move on over to the laptop, just so you guys can see what is going on over there. As you guys can see, the little iTunes logo there is popping up for us to open, and I'll go ahead and open it. There's a problem with the iPhone that requires it to be updated or restored. What I want to do is I'm going to restore it, and it says, are you sure you want to restore the iPhone to its factory settings? All of your media and other data will be erased, and the newer version of the phone software will be installed. So I'm going to go ahead and hit restore and update. And I want to just bring up iTunes because this is where everything is happening. It says iPhone's in recovery mode. iTunes is preparing to restore the software on this phone. It's extracting software here up at the top. We'll go ahead and let it do its thing. And just going back here to the hard reset, as you guys can see, it's restoring the firmware. Computer part is done. Now it's just waiting on the iPhone. And the iPhone here is finishing up. And now we should be doing a reset, restarting the phone, starting it back up. It'll go through the second loading screen. That bar will load all the way. And the screen here popped up as if you're starting a new phone. You can set up as a new iPhone or restore this from a backed up version. I'm just gonna go ahead and wait and show you guys that the phone is at its factory settings. And at this point, you guys can go ahead and unplug it. The laptop doesn't make that big of a difference, so I'm gonna go ahead and slide back down. And I'm just going to go ahead and really quickly start this phone back up just to make sure that everything is working properly. So I got my internet signed up there. Disable locations. I'm just going to do this as the new iPhone. Skip the Apple ID. Agree to the terms and conditions. skip the touch ID, and then don't add a password. Don't use Siri, don't send. Zoomed or standard, doesn't really matter. And welcome to iPhone, get started, and here you have it. If you're selling your phone, I would recommend you take it through these steps and get it to this screen to where it's on the home screen.